There is only one reason why you click this video, and that's because you want to learn how to remove background, or you want to learn how to remove green screen background using CapCut. Without wasting much of your time, let's head up straight to CapCut and let's get it started. Now you open CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, all you need to do is to go to your favorite browser and just type CapCut Desktop, right? We are using CapCut Desktop for this particular tutorial, okay? So when you go to CapCut Desktop, you'll see a link here that says CapCut.com. Just go to CapCut.com. So when you come to CapCut website, you'll see this button that says download for free. When you click on it, it's just download CapCut straight to your computer because it knows already you're using a Mac or a Windows laptop. For me, I have CapCut already, so I'm not going to be downloading and installing CapCut. So when you download the CapCut, just install it and it's straight to the point. Not too much stuff there. So you download CapCut, you open CapCut. For me, I have CapCut already, so I just open CapCut. So this is how CapCut looks like, right? All these stuff you're seeing here are stuff that I've worked on before. That's why it's called project. But for you, all these things will be empty. Nothing will be here. The only thing you should be concerned about is just one button that says create project. Okay, so now this is not a full tutorial on CapCut Desktop. If you want a full tutorial that teaches how to use CapCut Desktop from A to Z, then do well to watch this video. It will teach you everything about CapCut Desktop. This particular video is just to show you how to remove green screen background. So most of my videos are on green screen. For instance, this is a video I posted yesterday. Let me play it so that you can see. Let me go to CapCut and play it so that you can see now. So I want to plug my headset so that it will not echo. Okay,
if you have ever downloaded anything from Net Ninja, you need to hear this. The man who built that website, Emmanuel Analike, has been arrested.
You can see
years of operation. You do the math and see how crazy this situation is. Free content was never free at all.
So all my videos are shot on green screen. So this is the raw file here. You can see this is the raw file here. Let me show you the raw file. So you can see this is the raw file. But when I remove everything, you can see how it looks like. All my videos, you can see even this one, the same thing. They're all shot on green screen. So now let me show you how to remove the background, the green screen background now. So you click on create project. The main CapCut editing dashboard will open for you. You click on import project. Okay, click on import. Then you look for your video. The video is under download. So this is the video we worked on. I can't really remember the exact one, but let's just use any one. Okay, so let me use this first one here. So this is the video here now. So I bring it down here. I bring it to my timeline. You can either drag it down to your timeline or you click on this plus button here. So you can see this video on our timeline. All I'm concerned about and all we are doing in this video is just remove the green screen. So the next thing to do now is to go to remove BG. You can see it here, remove BG. Under videos, you see remove BG, click on remove BG. Then we have three options. We have auto removal, custom removal, and chroma key. What we're interested in is chroma key. So we click on chroma key. When we click on it, you will see a circle will appear. Just go straight to your video. You can see this. You can see this round green stuff that is there. You can click anywhere on the green screen. We have different buttons here that we can use to adjust the background. Number one, we have intensity, we have shadow, we have feather edge, and last but not the least, we have clean up edge. So for intensity, we'll increase intensity a little bit, right? So let's put intensity at like 55. Let's put it at 55. For feather, we'll take it a little bit also. Let's leave it at 38. Then clean up edges. Then let's take up clean up edges to like 29. So you can see now we have our background removed. You can see the video now, right? So we can take any other thing that we want. So let me go to import and bring in any image or any stuff I want to put at the back. Movies. I have a you can put an image or a video at the back. So I'll bring it here, increase it. This is an image, right? I'll take it up a little bit. Then this I'll bring it down. So now I'll just increase it. So you can see now. You can see. So to make it look more realistic, all I need to do, let me increase this a little bit, bring it down. Because it's an headshot video, I do more of storytelling. So this is it now. So the next thing to do now is to go to your effects. You go to effect, then your video effect, right? Then you look for blur. Just click on it and type blur. Just type blur and it will appear. You search for blur, and this particular one, this is what we're looking for. This first one here, you hold it and drag it and put it at the middle. Okay, then you drag and drag to the end. So this is it. So but the blur is too much, right? So you can adjust the blur from here. You can see. So we want to reduce it to like 28 or 29, something that look nice. Okay, something like this is okay. So we can see now. Then for our image, then you can continue what you're doing. You can come here now and do color grading, all the color grading you want to do. Like you can start working on your video, just color grade it. so that it will look nice and all that. Okay, what you want to achieve in this video is just how to remove the background, and that is what we have done. Okay, so from here you can just color grade, just play around the color grading. This is not the color grading class. This is just to show you how to remove your background using CapCut Desktop. Okay, in the next class I'll show you how to color grade your video, but this particular video is just to show you how to remove your background. So let's go back to what I shared earlier. I said we have auto remover, we have custom remover, and we have chroma key, right? But if your video is not shot on green screen, just normal view, just normal video. Let's say I shot this particular video you're watching. I want to remove this background. You don't need to click on chroma key. All you need to do is to click on auto remover, and CapCut will do the magic for you. But if it's on green screen or a blue screen, then just use your chroma key and adjust the intensity, the feather, and the clean up edge, and you get what you're looking for. You can even increase shadow a little bit, and that is all. Okay, depending on what you want, you can also increase the clean up edge to any amount you like. You can increase the feather to any amount you like. You can increase the intensity, depend on what you want and how sure you are that the green screen is of your footage. So that is it about removing green screen from your video using CapCut Desktop. Just like I said, if you want to learn how to use CapCut, like a full CapCut tutorial, do well to watch this particular video. It will teach you how to use CapCut Desktop as a beginner. It's a very detailed video that will show you everything. So see you in the next video. I remain Joshua Dejo. Bye for now.
Here's a quick one. If you're interested in building real digital skill and turning them into income, I host a free live training every Friday where I break down AI tools, content creation, storytelling, skill monetization, and how to grow and earn from today's digital economy. If you're interested, check the link in the description to register for free. Your registration also grants you access to join our free community called the 23 community. We can't wait to see you there. Now, back to the video.